Alright, on the second day of October 2020, back here at St. James to see train 660 once again. The equipment on this train today is led by one of the engines that have the distinct K5 LLA horns. DM30AC 509 is the leader, and on the rear is DM30AC 512 with 8 cars. Number 4061 happens to be one of the coaches used as a bar car, in which all the bars were removed. The bars were placed on this part of the car. On the rear. This train will be going to Stony Brook, then Port Jefferson. This train will go turn around after Port Jefferson. We'll go past the station into one of the yard leads, and we'll come back for the weekend as one of the equipment's supposedly used for the Babylon Hicksville shuttle. This train will go back as PFJ 701 to the storage yard at Richmond Hill.